Hey guys, I wanted to go through working through a module again because it looks like a couple of you are still struggling with how to work that. So I want to remind you that everything you need from me will be on the Canvas calendar. You will have only one link from me per day on the Canvas calendar, but that does not mean you don't have multiple assignments, because in a module you have multiple assignments strung through back to back. So you have to move through the module. All right, so let's click on today's, which starts with a how to get the book, which I walked you through that. If I have a video that says watch the video, I expect you to watch the video. I feel like some of you might still be confused because you're not watching the videos. All right, if it has a next button, you need to click next. That's the point of the module. So you do what it says on the page, and then you click next. Okay, so this takes you to the next part of the assignment. Okay, there's never just one piece of the assignment. Now you've got questions over yesterday's reading. You will always have some sort of either questions or discussion question or writing piece over the day before's reading. So I have to take the quiz. If I try to move forward and I have not taken the quiz, it gives me an error message. It says that you can't do this because there are prerequisites. You have to go back and finish what it said to finish on the previous page. So I actually have to take the quiz before I can move forward. Take the quiz. Okay, so I'm just gonna click stuff so I can move through real quick. You don't do that. You actually take the quiz. But it won't let me move forward either. Okay, so I'm going to click next because there is a next button which tells me there's more. Okay, so now I have a discussion question. Again, you can't move forward unless you do it. I have to click reply. So I click reply, and we're going to follow our race format, complete sentences. You should always be doing that. Make sure you click post reply. If you just click next, it doesn't save. Post reply, and then I can see everybody else's. Now I click next. Now here's the attendance piece. So I have some of you doing the assignment, but then you don't do attendance, which tells me you're not moving through the module. Okay, so you have to two-finger click, see, two-finger click, and say open in the new tab. Once it opens in the new tab, then you take the attendance in the new tab. You submit it over here. Okay, so once this loads, you submit, and then you can go back to my module. You're still not done. How do I know? Because there's a next button. So I click next. And then this is the actual assignment for today to read. You've got audiobook for part of the book. And I also told you how to download the book. So you should always have access to that. But you do not have a next button, which tells me I am done with today's module and I don't have to click next again. Please join me in the 8 or 12 tutoring session if you still are confused.